The other day, I got a package delivered to me by my good friends over at Army Painter. The D&D Nolzur's Marvelous Pigments Undead paint set. Now that's a mouthful. Let's unbox this one together. Hi guys and gals, my name is Leif, and I want to welcome you so much to Devs and Dice. Today we're going to focus on a paint set from Army Painter. I'm going to unbox the Nolzur's Marvelous Pigments Undead paint set. So let's together have a look and I will tell you what I think about it at the end. So I got this package from Army Painter and I wasn't really prepared for this, but apparently I am an influencer, which I'm not gonna lie, it's kinda cool. And as you can see, the package came safely packaged in a nice box, and it seems to contain 10 paints and a unique model, high quality model of Azarak. Azarak is the lich that I think was responsible for the Tomb of Horrors. So, opening this box up, we can see that there's a bunch of information letters, and here we can actually see that Army Painter provides a nice sort of guide to their other boxes on how you could paint them up, essentially. There's some video tutorials, and here's a little bit of pamphlet on their different painting range. And here's a favorite, a little card saying that if something is broken or missing, just contact them and they will send it back. That's awesome. Also, we can get a little bit of, more information on their entire range, which is quite large, especially if you are painting miniatures, then, they have most of the things. Now let's start dig down into what's in the box. We have bleached skull, an off-white color, cold flesh, a sort of more blue, pale blue color, ghoul gray, seem to be a neutral gray color, ghostly vapors, which is sort of a mint green color, ethereal specter, sort of a purple pastel, vampire garments of sort of blood red color, Draco Lich Scales, seems to be a little bit more saturated than the previous blue one. And then we have Wraith Black, and we have a metallic paint called Cursed Blade, which looks to be sort of bronze. And then we have a wash, a green wash, which is called Moldy Wash. Now the sprue itself, it looks very high quality, and it is, I'm not sure if it's a, what do you call it, a snap together, but it was quite easy to put together, I have to say. And it looks amazing, to be honest. I will be in a future video painting up Azarak the Lich, using these paints among others, so stay tuned for that. All in all, I have to say this is a nice little paint set for anyone looking to start their miniature painting journey. Alright good folks, now we know a little bit more what to expect when it comes to this paint set from Army Painter. Now the price for this will be around $24.99 US according to Army Painter's website. And the release will be the 21st of November 2020. Now one thing I want to address, the dropper bottles in this paint set looked a little bit smaller than your usual war paints. Now comparing the two dropper bottles, the Army Painter's war paint standard range is 18 milliliter, and these that are in these paint sets are only 12 milliliters. Now that being said, it's interesting to compare a little bit more apples to apples, and in this case, Citadel, their dropper bottles are exactly 12 milliliters as well. And as far as I know, Citadel paint sets start somewhere around $35, $40, $45. So they're quite a lot more expensive. But I mean, in the end, I think both are fine options. It depends really what you want to, spend your money on. Now, as promised, I will in the near future paint up the nice Azarak miniature in a video. And I will be using these paints that I got got from this set. Now, up until that point when I've done that, I don't really want to comment that much on the actual quality of the paints, but I can say one thing, and you might think that I'm a little bit weird, but when shaking the bottles and when sort of testing just a few drops, it looks very, very smooth. Now with that, I hope that this video gave you a little bit more information regarding this paint set. But if I have missed something, then please feel free to post a comment down in the comment section. And as always, if you like these videos, then please feel free to like, share, or subscribe. Perhaps you have a few friends that might find these interesting. And finally, with that, I want to wish you an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.